Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. This is another video of calendar business object. Now in this video I am going to show you how to get working days between the given date range. So let me delete, this is not required. Now take action stage, double click on that, select calendar, that is internal business object, and select get working days in range. So these three inputs are required, mandatory fields. Now enter here USA calendar, double quotation. In the first date I am going to write today, and last date I want to take as a 31st October 2021. Go to outputs, click on this one, so it will store all the date in a collection. Now reset, refresh, right click, set next stage, and then we are getting 1 of 8. It means we have 8 working days. It means based on this we have 8 working days from today to this. Now let me see how we are getting, because if you see here 5, 5, 10, we have at least 10. We have only 8. But actually we should have 2 more, it means 10 working days. Now why we are not getting that? Because if you go to this calendar, come here, and you can see here we have 2 more days, that is other holidays, 18 and 19. These 2 are other holiday. So it means holiday, that is non-working days. So that's why these 2 dates are excluded from the working days. If you see here 18 and 19, you will not get here. So by this way we can get all the working days that will remove public holidays, weekends, it means Saturday and Sunday, and other holidays, and it will give you just working days. So I hope this is useful for you. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.